Hello friend, welcome back. Here we have added an amazing feature in TestCase Studio Pro that now you can download multiple test case in different sheets of one Excel file. Let me show you how. So as you know that in TestCase Studio Pro version you can record multiple test case. So like this is one test case, first test case. So this is a very fresh window. So if you are performing some actions, you are doing anything here and there. So it used to record all your actions, right? So that is there. This is done. This is my one test case. Now suppose if I want to record one more test case, so what we will do, we will click on save and continue. So here another test case got added, and suppose we go to any other website, like let's say for an example we go to flipkart.com, and if we perform some action here like this, anything we do, okay, so it will record those. Now if we will download both these test cases, like let's say we click on say Excel, download Excel, it get downloaded here. But if you will when you will open this Excel file, you will see that both the test cases will get downloaded in one sheet, one file and one sheet, and both the test cases will be separated by single line. Okay, so this is how, like if you want all test cases in one single sheet, that is there, which is already working, and this is how you all are using. But now there could be a requirement where you want to get these test cases like the same way what it is getting recorded in TestCase Studio Pro window, that each test cases is coming like in a separate sheet, right? So if you want to get these test cases in separate sheet, now you have an option under customize. We have given this option on a special request from one of our client. So you can see that here we have download settings, multiple sheets. So if you want to download it in multiple sheets, you just check in this, and now if you go back and click on download Excel, and this feature will be available only for Excel only, like multiple sheet. CSV, PDF and doc doesn't have that because that is not required and that doesn't work that way. Only Excel can support this. So here if you go to download this file, and now if we open this Excel file, you will notice that both the test cases got separately downloaded, as in like test case 1, test case 2, same way like it was there in TestCase Studio Pro window, and the name of the sheet will be same as the test case name in your TestCase Studio Pro window. Suppose if you change this, let's say we change it to demo, and then this is like as a demo sheet, okay, or I will say sheet example, and like this. And if I download this, open this file, so this will be having the name of whatever we have renamed those test cases. Okay, this will also get this OS and browser information, all those things same way for like that other file you used to get. If you don't want this, then you can turn it off, and now if you will download, it will download without those system information. So that is like as in a standard way, same way it will work. You can see that those details are not there, and directly it will start with this way. Also here if you will download, like let's say if you download CSV, then CSV, PDF, doc, it will work as usual it used to download, like it will having both the test cases in same file, because CSV through coding we cannot have this like we cannot create multiple sheets. Manually you can do that, but not through code. When we do through code, it becomes like an Excel only. So this is the way here, like you can see that there's only single space, and then so if you want the test cases in multiple sheet, in that case you just have to check this option and it will always remain checked, and then you can just download as an Excel. So this way you can you can download the test cases in multiple sheets. I hope you will like the feature, and this will help you guys a lot to save more time, and like you can organize things according to your own way. And here like we have added a lot more customization, so you can check out, and most of the like features will have the tutorial along with them. So if you ever face any challenge, just check out those tutorial along with them, so that will be very helpful. And also like keep checking this YouTube channel of SelectorsHub here, so that you will find more tutorials about it. and also please subscribe to the channel so that you will get all the updates, upcoming new features and everything on SelectorsHub tools. Thank you so much. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Also check out these awesome informative videos and keep watching more videos on SelectorsHub channel. Thank you.